Today I want to share with us one of the lessons that I share with my students just start from my graphic course. And what I teach them is that I have seen a lot of people repeat the same mistake, and I can tell you that about 80% of the people that post their videos, when they are talking, especially those that are using their front camera, that is their phone front camera, when they are talking they tend to be looking at the screen and not on the camera. So when they now post the video, they will be talking, and you yourself, that is the audience, as you're watching the video, you seem like this person is not talking to me. So this video is going to explain to you the basics of what you're supposed to do and how you're supposed to be doing your videos. So now look at my eyes and see. I will change my focus now. So I'm going to look at the screen now. So now I'm looking at the screen. I can now say, hello guys, how are you doing? It's Nurse Amara here. I'm looking at the screen. I thought that maybe I'm looking at the camera, but by looking at this now, I'm not looking at the camera. Now, how will you know when you are looking at the screen? How to know when you are, the screen is, you see that place that you are seeing yourself. I'm looking at it now. You can see yourself, you can see your hand movement, you can touch your face, you can bring your face closer. So the best thing for you to do when you are doing your video is to look at the camera. Now, to locate the camera is close to that place that light comes from in your phone, that 2 points. So check your phone now and see it. And one thing that makes people to do this is that when they are looking at the camera, they think that they are not looking at, that they are looking somehow abstractly from the video scene, but they don't know that they are not looking at the camera. So check your videos to know whether you've made this mistake and correct that. So if you really want to get help on how to do your videos exceptionally with your phone, then hit me up in the comment section, or you can come in best for that. And having said that, thank you so much for watching this video. If you get value, drop a like and leave a comment. See you next time. Bye.